Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check warranty for your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and then your headphones should be connected to your phone. Then you can tap the headphones list at the top in the settings. You can also find this menu if you go to the Bluetooth, then click the information icon near to your earbuds. Now you need to scroll down and right here we have limited warranty, so you have the date where it expires and you can tap on it and also check the information here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!